Welcome to Cliffy's Kitchen. It's always a pleasure working with you. It's really good to be back with you again. And today we have something special for you. We're going to be doing carrot juice, Cliffy's style. And of course, real Jamaican carrot juice. You see, you're accustomed to doing it a particular way over the years. I'm going to show you a different way today. Anyhow, before we get into the video, let me just express our appreciation as usual for your continuous support. We want to let you know how much we appreciate it. And of course, we have our social media page like Instagram and Facebook. Always remember to go to those to see what we are doing next. Of course, your support comes in various forms. You're liking the video, you're sharing it, and more so subscribing. So the buttons are right below, just hit them and you're gone through. Of course, not to be forgotten is the fact that you should also send in your comments. Let us know how you're liking what we're doing and request what you want us to do in the future. Come with us as we do this video. Well friends, for our carrot juice, notice what we have here. To begin with, we have carrot, that's a given. We have a bottle of Guinness Stout, very important. We have some sugar in that white container, and of course we're using almond milk. That's unsweetened, of course. You look in this container, we have 1 tablespoon or 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, and 2.5 tablespoons of vanilla. That for sure, when put together, is going to give you the best tasting carrot juice, and we can't wait to have it done. Okay, well, the type of carrot juice I'm making today probably deviates from what a lot of people are accustomed to making. Most times we make carrot juice, we either put it in a blender, and of course after we blend it, we juice it and throw away the trash. I'm not doing that with this one. I'm going to cut up the carrot, boil it, and as soon, maybe after 10 minutes or so, when it's soft enough, then that is what I'm going to use. We're going to now blend that, and from that you have nothing to throw away, and that is going to make the world of a difference. That's all my carrot cut up there. It was 2 pounds, and it's now ready to go in the boiling water. So here we go. Okay, so this water here is boiling, so it's ready for the carrot right in. This I will let go on boiling for the next 12 minutes, and then fire should be off and everything should be soft enough so that when you blend it, everything is just one big puree, and from there we can stretch it. Our carrot was properly cooked for over 12 minutes, and of course, you know, we can't handle it when it's hot, so I allow it to be totally cool. And now I'm going to be blending it using the same water that is cooked in, so that we maintain that same nutrient that actually boiled out in the water already. So I'm now going to put it into the blender. We'll do this in 2 portions. Now that my blender is really on the base, I'm now going to add in my ingredients so as to bring up this lovely taste in our carrot juice. This is my nutmeg, and this is my cinnamon. Make sure all of it gets out. And this is my vanilla. Okay, won't need to pour the stout until we get it into this jug here. So let me cover up now and blend. Alright, so notice this texture looks really good. This looks like what it is, how it is when they make it at the factory before it is totally broken down to just ready for drinking. As a matter of fact, I care to say that I used to work at a factory that makes carrot juice, so I know this process is really the better one. And I'm gonna pour this now into my jug. This looks yummy, just wanting a little sweetener now. Okay. So what's in that jug is the total amount of the carrot blended out. Looks really good. I'm now going to add my almond milk. This is 2 cups of almond milk. And of course, let me just pour this in. In the meantime, guys, just want to say to you, if you like what we are doing here, remember to like, subscribe, and to share this video with your friends. We really appreciate you doing that. Alright, this looks really so good. You notice? Alright, I know it's about time for me to get in some sugar. I'm gonna put the stout last, just in case there is any foaming. We can deal with it last after we finish stirring in some sugar. So, of course, okay, not everyone really wants the carrot juice really sweet, but of course you want to have a nice taste. So I'm not going to tell you that it's a pound of sugar, right? I'm just going to put an amount that I think will bring it to a very nice taste. That seemed like what could be about a little over half a pound of sugar. Okay, the sugar is stirred in, and I'm now going to pour the Guinness in there. So, like this. Okay. This is behaving quite nice. I know it would bring up a little foam. Let me do 3/4 of a bottle. Wow. Of course, this is for home purposes. You don't add anything with any kind of alcohol for the public unless you know that you will have that variety of people who will choose or use it or not. But this is for homes. So this is the finished product of my carrot juice, and believe me, those quantities were just great. Tastes very nice, and look at the consistency. You only get this at home. It's now time for a taste. Wow. I can't wait to indulge myself with this. It's really great, folks. You're gonna like this one if you do it at home. So remember, follow those steps that we show you. You will have a very nice carrot juice, and this one is really taking the cake right now as far as I'm concerned. So let me just pour in readiness for getting it to the family. Okay, and I'm going to pour a drink for a good family member too. Okay, I know they can't wait to have it. So this is it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. We really appreciate your time. If you like what you have seen so far, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. We will keep them coming to you. Make your requests as usual, and of course, always stay with Cliffy's Kitchen. That's where you get food with love as the main ingredient.